guys, my name is Kaylin. Welcome back to my channel, and today I just kind of have a short little montage of some of our Halloween adventures from this year. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the little bell to turn on notifications so you'll be notified of all of my future videos, and let's go ahead and jump into it. This year we went over to our best friend's place and we carved 6 different pumpkins. They went with like a spooky face theme on everything, so this is just some clips of us carving our pumpkins. This is how they turned out. I love them. They look so cool. The trick-or-treaters really enjoyed them. We did the 6 total. The one in the back left has the nose as the stem, so when it got really dark it was hard to see, but that one turned out super cute. And then we all dressed up as crayons. So for these we found these shirts on Etsy, and then I made these hats out of party hats and felt. They were super cheap to do. My husband and I were the orange and blue crayons, and our friends were red and green, and we loved it. It was really cute. Everybody seemed to like it. And then I made this box for us to stand behind for trick-or-treating as well. This was out of cardboard and cardstock. So, you know, again, not much expense in it. It was just a little time consuming, but I love how it turned out. It was really fun, and I was glad we were able to get it done for trick-or-treating. So it was a fun project. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what kind of fun things you did for Halloween. It's my favorite holiday. I love to hear stories and see pictures and see what everybody came up with. So we had a great time this year, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like on it. Hit that subscribe button to see my future videos. I will have a video for you guys again next week. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next adventure.